welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is India and welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much for clicking on another video, y'all. Today's video, we're doing another styling video, y'all. I told y'all I'm gonna try to give y'all some weekly styling videos so you can see how I'm styling my hair every week, and also you can see these products that I'm trying to use up. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I just did a really big declutter my natural hair product stash, and I'll link those in a card and in the description so you can check those out and see all of the natural hair products that I have in my stash currently. For today's video, y'all, we're gonna style this. Y'all already know when you see me with the blow dried hair, you already know what time it is. First of all, let me talk about my blow dry hair real quick. So y'all, I have not been in the mood to like wet set my hair. Like, I want to wash it, dry it, style it, and go. I just have not been in the mood to like do a wet set or a wet rod set or anything like that, or not even a wash and go, because I've really just, I don't know, I feel like lately I've just been wanting to wash my hair and get it done and get it over with. Like, I don't really want to walk around with wet hair or wait overnight and all the things. Like, sometimes I'm just not in the mood to do that. And so this is why you guys have been getting these blowout styles from me, because really I just don't want to do any wet styles right now. So if you are looking for hairstyles that involve blowing out, heat, and stuff like that, then this, I don't know, it's kind of turned into its own little series, like a heat styling series. I'm gonna show you guys everything that I use, of course, and so let's jump right into that. So I did shampoo. Y'all, I picked up a new shampoo and conditioner. I know. I don't need a new shampoo or conditioner, but this one came in highly recommended from one of my stylist friends who's actually a hairstylist, and she put me onto it, and I had to pick it up because I actually seen it in the store. So I was like, let me get it. So I was in Marshall's randomly, and the product that was recommended to me was the Joy Co Moisture Recovery. And so I found the Joy Co Moisture Recovery. It's a moisturizing shampoo, and it's for thick and coarse and dry hair. And this is what that looks like. So this is what I shampooed with. And then I also picked up the Joy Co Moisture Recovery Moisturizing Conditioner for thick, coarse, and dry hair. And this is what this one looks like. The bottle's a little, grimy, y'all, because my hands was on it, but this is what that looks like. I've used these in conjunction with each other together twice. So this is my second go round using these products, and I must say I freaking love them. My hair is super soft when I finish washing. It's super soft after detangling and putting the conditioner in, and I love it. So if you are in need of a moisturizing shampoo and conditioner, I would say if you see these in TJ Maxx or Marshall's, definitely pick them up. If you guys have tried this or seen this or know anything about Joy Co, then definitely let's talk about it in the comments. So after washing and conditioning my hair, then I went in with my Chi 44 Iron Guard. You guys know that this is no stranger to the channel. I use this as my heat protectant to blow dry, and then I also use a little bit of this Chi Infra Silk Infusion, and this is actually a new purchase too. I just recently picked this up. So yeah, I use those two to blow dry. If you guys are interested in my blow dry routine, of course I got you. I have a full video already on that. I'll link it in the card, and I'll link it in the description box as well. And then last but not least, y'all know I deal with dry scalp. So if you do too, then welcome on in, girl. Welcome on in, okay? So to combat some of my dry scalp issues after I blow dry my hair, I went in with the Donna's Recipe Strength Hair Oil. This is the hair oil I have been loving lately and using on a regular basis. So I use this. And so this is how we got here, y'all. This is how we got here. So we washed, conditioned, blow dried, and did some hair oil, some scalp oil on the scalp. And this is where we are now. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm actually going to be using my wand curl today, my little wand curler. Now this is my oldie. I've had this wand curler forever, y'all. And if you've seen, I do have a full like wand curl video as well on my channel, but it is me doing it for a different curler. So it has like 3 attachments. I'm not using that one today because I like the way that my curls come out when I use that one, but I do not like that it does not have like a temperature setting. So I don't know exactly what the temperature is on that, and that's kind of scary for me. And since I've been using heat a lot, I'm very particular about, you know, making sure I'm using styling tools that are going to be just as safe for my hair. And with me not being able to know what temperature or how hot it is, I don't think that's really safe. So I'm gonna use this one. Like I said, it's my Revlon. No, it's a Conair. Look at me. It's a Conair U curl. And y'all, I think I might have picked this up from Walmart years and years and years ago. But what I love about it is I can actually, and I don't know if y'all can see that, it's kind of dirty, but anyway. I don't know if you guys can see, but I think you can. It has the temperature. So I can put it on 310, 330, 360, or 400 degrees. So I like the fact that I can set the temperature on this so I know how hot and how much heat I'm actually putting on my hair. For today's style, the products that I'm going to be using for styling, I'm going to be using the Talia Wajid Green Apple and Aloe Miracle Hold Gel. Y'all know I'm pulling out. Y'all got to be proud of me because I'm pulling out these products and I'm using them. And yeah, so this one we're going to be using today. I always have my Wetline Extreme for a little bit of backup. I'm going to be using my Style Factor Edge Booster. I have that. And honestly, y'all, I think that is about it as far as products that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to go ahead and get to styling this hair.
Sometimes it's hard to tell, so you may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me, but now that the strength, I'm just a mirror of what I see. Motivating force within my life. If you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Let me It's hard for me to understand. So many things have taken place before this love affair began. But if you feel more like I feel, confusion can give way to doubt. For there are times when I fall short of what I say. But I say I'm all about, you all love. You're a positive, motivating
This is the final look and it is giving so pretty, y'all. This little swoop tried to give me a little hard time, but we got through it. I wanted to do something different and I think it turned out super cute. Y'all know I'm a fan of like having texture still, so you can still see the texture in my hair. And y'all, I think the style turned out so super cute. So y'all let me know what y'all think about the hair. Would you try it? Do you like it? Like, cause I'm liking it. Now I will let you know, in order to keep this up at night, I'm gonna put my scarf on and I'm gonna use flexi rods for my wand curls, and I'll probably do like 2 or 3 on each side and then wake up in the morning and take it down. And you know, the flexi rods will still give me that same spiral in the morning. So y'all, I really do like this. It was super easy. My hair is really soft and yeah, something different. Again, y'all let me know if you guys are liking these styling videos. I can continue to do them weekly so you guys can see exactly how I'm styling my hair for the week, and you can see all the products that I'm using. So y'all, that's it for today. I thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for commenting and subscribing. Y'all, we are growing. I think the last time we checked, we're super close to getting to 500, y'all. We're super close. So keep on sharing the videos, keep on liking, keep on commenting and all the things. And we'll talk in the next video. Bye, y'all.